Hello everyone. So today we will study chapter number 1 of Geography class 10th, that is Resources and Development. In this chapter you will study many things which you have studied earlier and also you have understood it very clearly. So let us start with the chapter. It's a very interesting chapter. The thing you just have to do is to pay attention and to concentrate and to understand its topic and concept very clearly. Then it will be so easy for you to remember this chapter. So let's start. Resources and development. Can you identify and name the various items used in making life comfortable in our villages and towns? List the items and name the material used in their making. Okay, so this thing says that you can identify the names of various items, means you can tell names of various items, or you can just sort out different and various items that we all know that are used to make our life very comfortable. We all know that we use nowadays refrigerator and ACs. These items are made to make our life more comfortable as well as luxurious. And in the villages also there are many things, like for farmers many tractors are made to make their profession easier and to help them out in their daily business. So this thing says that now everything available in an environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable, can be termed as resource. So in previous classes, in before this class 10th, there is class 9th, and before class 9th in class 8th we have learned that everything available in an environment which can be used to satisfy our needs is known as resource. But here in 10th we are also get to know that anything that is technologically accessible, economical feasible and culturally acceptable can be termed as resource. And this thing, the thing from here to here is a thing which we came to know in 10th standard. So this says that anything which is accessible to all of you via technology, then economically feasible, that means that it's it can be available, or it or any kind of people like from poor to rich can get to it. Then it's culturally acceptable, means it must be culturally accepted by the people, is termed as resource. Now we can see here a diagram that is interdependent relationship between nature, technology and institutions. Yeah, human beings are dependent to technology, and technology is made by human beings. Then human beings are dependent to physical environment, it is nature, and also to institutions. And this all three things are interdependent to each other with humans, because means human beings need all these things, and also all these things need human beings to have the place in the world or in the environment. Now here it says the process of transformation of things available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology and institutions. So this paragraph says about this diagram which we have seen just yet. It says that the process of transformation of things that are present in our environment involves the relationship of nature, technology and institutions. Human beings interact with nature through technology and create institutions to accelerate their economic development. That says that human beings interact with nature, means human beings get involved with nature, get connected with nature, and through technology, through different gadgets, and create institutions through nature. In nature, through technology, human being creates several institutions. In class 9th we have learned that what is institutions, that any organization which is set up to or which is set up for a specific program, or which is set up for a specific thing is called as institution. In civics we have learned that to accelerate their economic development means to make their or to make the run for the economic development means that to just carry out the economic development or the financial development of their, they need this all things. Okay, now it says, do you think that resources are free gifts of nature as is assumed by many? It says that from many classes we have learned that resources are free gifts of nature. Means the resources are free gift of nature, that are here resources refers to resources, but we have learned that natural resources are free gift of nature. Means water, air, mountains are not made by humans, they are made by God. We are learning from a very small classes, and we all know that. But do you think that resources, here it consists of all resources, are free gifts of nature as assumed by many? Means many people think so. They are not. But the answer is they are not. Resources are a function of human activities. Resources are a function of human activities. Human beings themselves are essential components of resources. So in 8th and 9th we have learned that human beings are also resources, and here it says that only that human beings themselves are essential components of resources. Means human beings are very much essential to make any resource work. Unless and until human resources will not have skill and knowledge, no other resource will have any other their advantage and disadvantage in nature. Okay, with an easy example I will take. We all know water is used for drinking, but how do we came to know this? Because human resources developed, and they came to know that to overcome our thirst we have to drink water. So it says that only that human beings themselves are essential components of resources, and they transfer material available in our environment into resources and use them. Okay, so yeah, anything which we found in nature. So how electricity is developed? By H2O, means by H2O hydroelectricity is developed. So if human resources are not being skilled and knowledgeable, they would have not came to knew that with water we can develop a kind of electricity, that is hydroelectricity. So it says that only that human resources are resources that can transfer material available in the environment and can make uses of that items to make their life easier, to make everyone's life easier. Now, these resources can be classified in the following ways, that is A, on the basis of origin, that is biotic and abiotic. B, on the basis of exhaustibility, that is renewable and non-renewable. C, on the basis of ownership, that is individual, community, national and international. D, on the basis of status of development, potential, developed, stocked and reserves. So about this 4 we will learn in our next class, and here it's a chart that is given over here. Please go through this chart, it is very important. And for this video, this much only. This is my first video on YouTube, and I will teach geography of class 10th. Not only geography, I will teach SS of class 10th. So if you like my video, then please do like, subscribe my channel, and if I made any mistakes in the video, then please forgive me, because it's my first video, so I'm not very used to make videos and I'm not very much experienced. So for that I'm really very sorry if I done any mistake, or if I have mispronounced any of the word. Till then, bye, take care, be safe, be healthy, and let us meet in the next video.